Making a trifle infused with THC and caramel vodka. Start with sponge cake. Add some good coffee on the sponge and a little pineapple syrup. Cover the sponge nicely with caramel vodka. Add in caramel cashew nuts infused with THC. Cover sponge with custard. Add in strawberry cashew nuts infused with THC. Whip up some cream and cover the custard. Drop in some more THC cashews. Add in some jelly. Add in some sponge cake and start on the next layer. Good coffee, caramel vodka, hazelnuts. Melted dark chocolate. Caramel. Mix in the caramel cream and dark chocolate. Small amount of berries. Start on a new layer. Sponge cake. Bar 1 chocolate sauce. Hazelnuts and cashews. Custard. Jelly. Cashews and cream mix. Put in the fridge and let it set. Enjoy!